Hi friends, in this video we will going to know modern floating wall shelf design ideas and what will price of making this kind of floating shelves. So friends, if you're new to my channel then please subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. So let's begin the video. So friends, floating wall shelves in India are available in wide price ranges and comes with or without installation services. And here are some key details. First one is the prices. Affordable shelves start 500 to 1500 for basic designs in materials like particle board or MDF. Premium shelves made of solid wood or metals can cost between 2000 and 8000 depending on the design and size. And another one is the installation options. Some online or retailers like Flipkart or Wooden Street provide installation manuals or DIY kits with brackets and screws. The cost of floating shelves in India varies based on size, materials, and brand. And here is general price ranges. First one is the wooden shelves. Basic MDF for practical board 500 to 1500 and premium solid wood 2000 to 5000 plus. And another one is the metal shelves. It's lightweight metals, powder coated. It's starting from 800 to 2000. Heavy duty metals is starting from 2000 to 4000. And another one is the glass shelves. It's tempered glass with brackets 1000 to 3000. Combination of self wood plus metal. It's trendy industrial designs 1500 to 4000 plus. These floating shelves available Amazon, Flipkart and wide variety often to the discounts. By investing in floating shelves, you can enhance your home functionality and style without significant cost. And floating wall shelves are increasing popular choice in home decors due to their functionality, aesthetic appeal, and space saving and nature. And here is why they are important at some price insights in India. First one is the space optimization, ideal for small homes or apartments to utilize vertical space efficiently. Keep items the off of the floor and create organized look and offer minimalistic and modern design that enhance home interiors. Can be used for displaying decorative items, books, plants or collections and suitable for living rooms, kitchens, bathrooms or bedrooms. Available in different styles, materials, and sizes to match decor and themes. And this wall floating shelf simple to mount on the walls without requiring much construction or work, often to the lightweight and sturdy. And this is cost effective compared to the bulk cabinets or shelves, allow to the customization to fit various budget and needs. And it showcases items like ideal for displaying books, plants, artworks, or decorative items, enhance the visual appeal of your space. And these floating shelves can be arranged in the creative patterns or stretched of white and unique display. And they are very strong. Their materials, minimal look floating shelf study and when installed correctly can be significant weight. And they are suitable for various areas like kitchens, bathrooms, living rooms, bedrooms, and offices. And simple setup installing floating shelves is relatively easy and does not require much time or experts. Floating wall shelves are modern and versatile design solution for organizing and enhancing interior space. And these shelves are characterized by their console mounting system, which create the illumination of the shelves and floating against the wall without visible brackets or supports. This clean and minimalistic aesthetic makes them popular for contemporary homes and offices. And Floating shelves utilize vertical wall space, offering storage and display options without consuming floor area. The sleek and streamlined look complements various decor styles, from modern to rustic. These shelves are suitable for different rooms, including living rooms, kitchens, bathrooms, and bedrooms, and purpose like showcasing books, plants, and art or practical storage. And with proper installation, floating shelves can support to the significant amount of weight, making them functional as well as stylish. And available in variety of materials, wood, metal, glass finishes and sizes. They can be tailored to fit specific designs and needs. And for displaying photographs or plants or collection, anything other decorative items. And storage for organizing books or kitchen essentials or bathroom accessories. Creative spaces arranged in storage patterns and galleries or walls to create dynamic and visual interest. Floating wall shelves is combined functionality and style, offering elegant solution for clutter-free and visual appealing interiors. This versatile makes them favorite and among their interior design of homeowners alike. Contemporary homes and offices. And floating shelves utilize vertical wall space, offering storage and display options without consuming floor area. The sleek and streamlined look complements various decor styles, from modern to